Since there is so much confusion around metaprogramming, and it does sound pretty intimidating, especially to the new developer, I want to go as slow as possible, especially in the beginning, for walking through it. So I'm going to start with the base case in this lesson. So I'm going to create something. I'm going to say metaprogramming example 1.rb, and I'm going to open it up. Okay, so I'm going to create a class called baseball. So I'm going to say class baseball and just close it off. So there's not going to be any methods, any attributes, anything like that in there. Now, if I do baseball.new and then call swing on it, what do you think is going to happen? If I type Ruby, metaprogramming example 1, you can see it gives us an error, undefined method swing for this baseball object. So that's good because there is not a method there called swing. So that's exactly what we would want to happen. Now let's see how with metaprogramming, what we can do is actually open up this class. So even though we declared it up here, I'm going to say class baseball again, and now I'm going to define a method. So I'm going to define the method swing, and it's simply going to print out home run, or it's going to return home run. And now I can call p.baseball or p-baseball new.swing. Now let's see what's going to happen. So run it again, and you can see it returns home run. So why is that a big deal? Right here, this is a pretty basic example. Obviously, you'd have no reason to open this class up, but what it shows, and you can see it all in one page, is how flexible Ruby is. So yeah, you wouldn't do this on one file, but let's pretend that you have a big Rails program, and I'll pull one up right here. So say you have this big Rails program with hundreds and hundreds of files and all these different classes and things like that. Well, the cool thing is say that we have this job class. Well, with this job class, say that we wanted the string method to represent something else inside of it. We actually would have the ability to open that up somewhere else. So like say we wanted to do it, a typical spot where you do a lot of metaprogramming is in your initializers. So you could set up a new class and open string up the same exact way that we opened up baseball right here, and you can customize it. And in the same way, you could open up this job class and add new methods to it or override pre-existing methods and give them some custom flavor. So that's how you can, just from a syntax point of view, open up classes. Ruby gives you the ability to declare a class and then at any time in the future, open it up as many times as you want to add new classes or even to customize other ones. So say that you had, this is your base class, you had, this is another spot where it's mentioned, and let me comment this out. And let's say further down in the application, you want to customize the swing to say strike. Now, if we come down here and print this out and run it again, you can see that now it says strike. So this could be customized however you want. It's going to take the latest version of that method and let you customize it however you want for that for the application. So this is more of a contrived example, obviously, but what I wanted to mainly show you is a syntax. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how you can open up actual classes within Ruby. I'm going to show you how you can open up the string class and add customization to the string object.